with your... Oh my God, Shada score!
What are you laughing at? What's he laughing at?
Now they do. Shard's here. Shard. Yes! Goal!
Atrás. Remate de Rodríguez. ¡Qué golazo, madre mía! ¡Qué golazo acaba de hacer Osvaldo! ¡Qué golazo de...
Oh my days, man. Just what I say, Chelsea don't get caught in transition. That was a transition goal. Ball over the top, man. What a ball. Is that Henderson? Bloody hell, what a ball there from...
I just knew it. I just knew it. As soon as I saw the ball go over the top and Unks is isolated, I said, yeah, here we go.
Phenomenal
Brentford
ball
are
that
in.
is. They're in. Brentford are in. Brentford
They're
are
in.
Brentford 1-0.
Oh, they scored. 1-0.
What a fantastic goal that was.
Fantastic goal.
That was a phenomenal counter.
Brentford have scored.
That was a phenomenal counter
That's
attack.
a brilliant goal. That is how you do it. Kevin Schade has scored for Brentford. This is not what we wanted to see. It's a brilliant goal. Tosin was there, literally the last man defending it. And Kevin Schade has buried it beyond Sanchez. Sanchez can't do anything about that. It's a fantastic finish.
That is a counter attack straight out of old school Chelsea.
Play it. There we go. Brother, one straight ball, blood. That's how you play football, man. Fuck all this tippy-tappy shit, man. What a finish as well, blood. Chelsea. What a finish, bro. This is what I'm talking about. Man said 4 centre-backs at the back, bro. No one could keep that out. This is what I'm saying. One straight pass, bro. Man got turned over.
For any of them. Oh my word, what a ball forward this is. 1-on-1 here. Brentford are in. Goal. Unbelievable, man. From absolutely nothing, they've hoofed it up the pitch. It's a great ball. Schade, as soon as he was a one-on-one with whoever it was, either Chalobah or Tosin, had him on toast. Had him on absolute toast. Sanchez completely rooted to the spot.
Henderson. Long. Oh, Shada. Shada, can you give us one goal? Just take it with your... Oh my God, Shada scores! And it's an assist by Jordan Henderson as well. Great pass in behind. And Shada with a great finish. Cuts into his right foot and pow, bottom corner. Great goal from Shada.
Oh, what a ball. What a ball from Brentford. What a ball. Well, this is the thing about Tosin, man. Tosin, when it comes to 1v1 defending. Man. It's... See, that was embarrassing. That was embarrassing defending, man. That really was embarrassing defending.
Good deflection off him, and it's gone into the back of the net. Same shit. Same shit has happened before. It's the exact same. We've seen this exact goal from Schade before. Up against Tosin, he just checks back and puts it in. I think it's taken a deflection that's beaten Sanchez. We'll have to see that. But it is the hosts ahead.
Yes! Come on! Cole Palmer! Yes! Come on! Come on! 1-1. 1-1. It's Enzo Fernandez with the ball in. kind of just falls to Cole Palmer. João Pedro assist. I think João Pedro has actually got the last touch. Let me just see that again. Yeah.
Cole Palmer. Oh, wow. It just had to be. It just had to be him, man. Flipping hell, mate.
Atrás. Remate de Rodríguez. ¡Qué golazo, madre mía! ¡Qué golazo acaba de hacer Osvaldo! ¡Qué golazo de...
You just knew, chat, man. You just knew Cole Palmer, right place, right time. I was thinking to myself, why are they crossing it in? I said, who's in the box? I could see.
Go on. Yes! He did it! Cole Palmer! He's back! Yes! Come on! Come on!
Palmer!
Let's go!
Yes, lads. Go on, lads. Go on. Yes.
Come on! Palmer again, ole ole! Palmer again, ole ole!
Enzo Fernandez crosses it in. João Pedro, Cole Palmer! There we go! There's the goal! Really well worked. I was dubious. I was skeptical about bringing him on. But Enzo Maresca, seemingly, as it always goes, knows best. Comes on, less than 5 minutes of being on. Cole Palmer gets the goal.
With the new squad that's around. Everything we're doing, Palmer, I told you. I dare anyone deny that I didn't call this. I said Palmer's going to come on and they're going to win 4-1. Watch this space. Watch this space. Watch it now. Watch it.
Cole Palmer! Benchut! Benchut! Come on, Cole Palmer! Come on! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Go for the winner now. Go for the winner. Go for the winner.
Ball to the back post for João Pedro. And then Palmer on his return. Come on. That's my fucking number 10. Oh, we needed that. The pressure tells.
Cut back.
Yes! Yes! Come on! Moises Caicedo! That's my general! That's my midfield general right there! Oh my days, what a strike! Yo, he said whatever the others can do, I can do better. It's not only one.
Block it. Oh, what a goal. What a goal. What a goal. I just knew it, guys. We just knew it. It was coming. It was bloody coming. What a goal that is. Unbelievable.
Atrás. Remate de Rodríguez. ¡Qué golazo, madre mía! ¡Qué golazo acaba de hacer Osvaldo! ¡Qué golazo de...
What a strike, man. What a strike. From arguably the best midfielder in the Premier League, guys. Unbelievable.
Oh, my friend. Run! Shoot! Shoot! Yes! 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 What a goal!
Oh my
Who scored that?
But it is Caicedo! It's a fantastic goal! Absolutely smashes it in! Unbelievable! Unbelievable finish! Moises Caicedo rockets it in the back of the net.
Scored Caicedo and he scored. Fucking knew it. I fucking knew it was going to be Caicedo. Is it Caicedo who scored? Please don't be Caicedo. Anyone but him. If it's Caicedo who scored, I'm never going to hear the end of it. Please don't be Caicedo. Who the fuck scored?
Oh, that was a good ball from Garnacho. Have a dig, son. Go! Yes! Ah! Casino! Banchots! You guys in the live chat, you guys are all banchots. You guys are all... Shervin, I saw what you wrote literally moments ago. We're not...
To take on his man here, goes around the outside. Lovely ball in. Oh, and it falls for Caicedo. Oh, it's a beauty! It's an absolute rocket from Moises Caicedo. Woohoo! A belter from the blue, the Chelsea blue, as Peter Drury would say. And I think that's a Garnacho assist, by the way.
Yeah. Clear this! Fuck! Come on, man! What are we doing on these long throws? Is this the Britannia? It's just disgusting.
Oh my days! 2-2! 2-2! 2-2! Yo! 2-2! Oh my God! 2-2! Is it offside though? Oh man. It's 2-2. Yo!
They're gonna try and pull in.
What do you
Oh,
do?
get right! Oh no!
2-2.
I can't believe that's happened.
Oh, you know what? You gotta just laugh at it. You know, we gotta laugh. We gotta just laugh. Like there's nothing more to.
Oh my God, they fucking scored. The fucking long throw, man.
Header, Brentford equalizer! I'm the biggest jinx in mankind. I said, what is Fabio Carvalho gonna do? And Fabio Carvalho equalized. Oh my God. Oh my God. I literally said, what is Fabio Carvalho gonna do? And he fucking equalized.
These long throw-ins, man. These long throw-ins. This Carvalho kid out of nowhere. These long throw-ins, man. This nonsense long throw-ins.
He'll fall to the back post, and the number 14, has stolen a point at the debt. I think he's offside. Whistles have been blown. I think he might be offside. I'll update it for now.